Well, if AVE calls his the Empire of Dirt, I don't know what are we gonna call this one, boys. Anyways, I'm just in town here for a month and trying to fix this thing, and I joined it's like a little hipster garage kind of thing in the next town over. It's pretty cool. They got a workshop, a wood shop, and a metal shop, and they got a CNC laser, CNC plasma, a bunch of cool stuff. So I was over there. I got these the energy company, whatever, made in USA, body mounts for my truck. And then they wanted, like, well, on eBay it was $170 for a 2-inch lift kit, a body lift. But I can get a whole stick of this UHMW polyethylene for, I don't know, $15. So I went over to that garage thing and I chopped all these up. Turns out, couldn't find a 7/16" drill bit, which is what these bolts are. So I just center drilled them on the lathe. I faced them off, center drilled them, and then I'm over here through drilling them. I thought I made this a while ago, and I thought I had these soft jaws on there. These wouldn't fit. They're 3-inch diameter. So I took the soft jaws off. Oh, finally it fit. But then when you tighten it up, the screw sticks out a little bit before it grabs, and it's like 20 degrees out, and I'm wearing shorts and my slippies, so nothing's working today. So what I'm doing is I just kind of, obviously I have these sweet boards to keep the plastic from the whole storage unit, and I need a tripod. Anyways, what you do is you get it close, turn the drill on. It'll kind of self-center it. Hold this down, not tight, but so it doesn't go weeble-wobbling all over the place. It'll kind of self-center, and then you can click it down. We'll see how this goes. Last but not least, yeah, this is a cattywampus setup. I have 3 different size ones, so I'm gonna adjust. There she is. I blame AVE for this. I just got home and was watching one of those, his video on the, I think he was making his buddy, or one of the guys on the internet, a barbecue thing. And I was like, well, I better go out there and finish my project. So I got 2 mediums, 2 shorts, and 2 talls. So this is what it is. It's just, these are the new, actually I think it goes this way. The new body mounts for the truck. And the transmission that I'm putting in it is a bit a wee bit bigger for more power, you know. So you just put those on. The body will be right here, the sheet metal. No, I lied. The sheet metal will be right here, 2 inches higher, see? And then this comes in from the inside of the truck. I gotta get longer bolts. My the bolt store I found here sucks. I had 8 bolts on order for 2 weeks. Still not there yet. And I went to look for these longer ones. Also still not, or they don't even have those. But anyways, night before Thanksgiving, 20 degrees out, in my shorts, had to finish this project. I blame that guy. But actually, I got a kind of glad I watched that video because I've got a project for you, buddy. It's actually more of a lathe project, but I don't have a lathe. I know a guy with a nice mill though. So if I have a drawing of it, the part itself is 5,000 miles away, but I think I have a drawing of it, and tomorrow when I'm done eating turkey, I'll look around and see if I can find that drawing. I'll make a video and see if we can get it built. Walking back into the house and I look down and stupid.